Okay, you see this thing? It's called AfriKana bar. So we're gonna talk about it and explore it. I'll just kind of show you the context of where it's at. So stay tuned, I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here's we're coming from an angle. Man, I hope this music doesn't affect the video. There's some really cool stuff around here. This is Fisherman's Wharf. There's Legend Palace Hotel. There's a bunch of ferries that would go to Hong Kong except for COVID, so they can't. There's a bridge that goes to Taipa. There's another bridge that goes over there to Hong Kong. That thing way over there is like an immigration center, and that bridge goes to Hong Kong, and also to well, this one's the one to Taipa. And you got this kind of cool scaffolding right here. And I'm trying to talk over that music because that music could affect my video, so let's just try to move quickly. Please, music, don't affect my video. Typhoon damage in here. This is part of the backside of the... So this one used to be AfriKana bar, and it's kind of interesting because there's a waterfront right here, but I didn't utilize it, and now it's closed altogether. But it had this Africa themes. You can see it right there. I gotta move away from the music. This is the building next to it, which has this New Orleans kind of feel. And actually it's kind of interesting. It's like kind of like a... I just walked by it and there's like a strong air conditioning coming out of it. Okay, I hope I walked away from the music. But yeah, a lot of stuff on Fisherman's Wharf is kind of facades. But this whole thing was kind of cool. It had these little huts that you could go into. That's a helicopter. Just kind of in, I can't see it because of the guard, but there's a helicopter pad that brings people back and forth to Hong Kong. So you pay good money for it, but it's kind of interesting because it's COVID, so technically, okay. I guess they say they're now the so this is what it used to look like. So you can see all these little things right here. So they had all these Africa tents, and they would have stuff like one of them would have billiard tables, and there would be have darts, and there would be karaoke. So there's like 3 of them right there. Then there'd be live music outside, and then the big giant tent in the middle was would have kind of a combination of different stuff. So you could basically kind of be inside, outside, and choose different venues. And it was a pretty cool little space. It's actually too bad that it's no longer running or operating anymore. But yeah, that's called AfriKana. Okay, let's keep on walking around the other sides and see if we can see anything else. This is Fabilan Casino. So yeah, you can still see these huts, right? So, but it was kind of a strange venue because this particular venue, they got a buffet. Fabilan Casino. This is Babylon right there. It's also Babylon. But yeah, AfriKana was kind of strange because they were able to get this beautiful oceanfront. Here's Rox Hotel as well. It's also worthy of a separate video as well. But yeah, they had all this massive space here that they got front waterfront area, but they closed it all off and put a fence around it. So when it was actually viable and usable, you didn't have any access to the water. Here's Rox Hotel. So let's see. Oh, now we can kind of see stuff here. So that's what they would look like. So you could had little glass entries, and then you could keep the air conditioning in. And then yeah, all these fences fenced around. Yeah, it's too bad. It's completely, I don't know if it's abandoned or what it is, but it's definitely not used. But I guess they can't get whatever money they want out of it. It's too bad. Okay. Yeah, and they had this kind of interesting facade as well. Let's just go down a little bit. And this is Rox Hotel, which is probably worthy of its own video as well. So we'll do a separate one for that later. But we're just gonna come over here. Oh yeah, so this AfriKana one, when it was running, I don't remember ever going upstairs. And I'm not sure why. I wonder if that was just closed off or if it's a storage or what it was. But anyways, that's AfriKana bar. So we basically went around it and we checked it out. It's right next to Rox Casino. And then there's the bridges over here too. So, okay. Hope you like that one as well. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.